Does traveling to work take most of your precious time? The long distance to work leaves you no time for yourself? Spending more time traveling and less time at home? Ever wondered what it's like to live so close to work? Time for all your dreams to become a reality. Presenting G Square Prime Villa Plots in Thoraipakkam. Welcome to the safest and most secure plot community on the OMR. Prime is the most secure plot community equipped with state-of-the-art safety and surveillance infrastructure, AI-based monitoring and alert system, visitor management system, surveillance app, and many other top-end security features are part of the security protocols. Strategically positioned close to CTS campus and other IT giants, Prime is perfect for those looking to build a home near workplace. Living so close to the IT hub gives you a lot of benefits. Travel less, reach home early, great infrastructure, unlimited weekend entertainment options, shopping avenues, reputed schools, colleges and hospitals nearby, great land appreciation, secure investment. With the upcoming Thoraipakkam-Neelankare Link Road, traveling on the OMR and ECR will be smooth and stress-free. Public transport is just 2 minutes away, and the upcoming metro is just 4 minutes away. Essential amenities like blacktop roads, street lights, etc. You also get 5 years free maintenance from G Square. The plots come in various sizes to suit your needs and budget. The highly strategic position of the plots makes it a high potential investment destination. Prime is a CMDA RERA-approved plot community at a very competitive pricing. Coming from G Square, known for their excellence in product quality and delivery, you can be assured you'll have a hassle-free buying experience. All legalities, including clear title, RERA and DTCP registration, free patta, etc. will be taken care of to ensure smooth buying process. G Square will also provide complete post-purchase guidance from interior design assistance to organizing your Grahapravesham. This is your chance to build a dream life in a space that gives you the freedom to be you. Come, explore G Square Prime.
G Square.